Some crazy wind right now at the Coe Show household. We're gonna battle it with the 150S. It's been a while. Haven't flown this bad boy, but I'm ready. I've been building an airplane inside so long that I got to get out of the house. So, stunt 2. Batteries need to be helped out and charge those batteries some more. Doesn't seem to care about the wind, and it's got a crazy turbulence in my yard. Battery can definitely use replacing. I haven't charged it in probably 3 months, so. Running some 180 millimeter, actually 155 millimeter Zeal blades on this one. Now I don't care what blade manufacturer I mention. Free agent. Woohoo! That was low, man. I'm blowing out here 20 mile an hour. The view of that tree over there. Woohoo! Yeah. Total control. The Blade 150S, it's all stock. I love this helicopter. It's smooth. Smooth, got enough power for 3D. Even better with a new battery. Oh yeah, okay, stuff it in a tree. That's what the bush is for, everybody. Come on. It's the day in the life. Let's see what happened. Nothing. Oh, I broke the tail blade. Okay, so we won't be flying that anymore right now today. Oh well. Well, there you see it. Sometimes I make mistakes. I was gonna go for that Piro flip in the yard, and that was not a good thing. So, gonna go replace that tail blade. Be right back. Thank you.